Okay, how much did I buy it from China? How much did I buy it? Cheap, not even up to with shipping fee. Let me be factual with you. With shipping fee was not up to 100,000 naira from China. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I miss saying that. Before now I create content up to like 3 times in a week, but for like 2 weeks plus now I've been a little bit lazy, and that's because my phone screen broke and it affected the front camera. So filming with good camera is what gives this vibes. So I didn't get the vibes like that, to the energy wasn't there to like get up, to create content, because the quality is not giving. It's not like before, as you can see. So but today I just decided that okay, I'm just going to manage it like that, pending when I get the funds, the money to get a new phone, or I get the money to get a new screen for the phone. Samsung, I'm using a Samsung phone, and you guys know how Samsung parts are expensive. Sometimes the money you use to get a new screen is enough to get a new phone. Okay, guys, so let's dive right into why we are here. So you guys remember the shawarma machine I ordered for a customer? I made a video in the process when I was in the process of purchasing the shawarma machine. I got it from Pinduoduo. So it arrived 2 weeks ago. I got it in April. It arrived 2 weeks ago. So the customer went to pick it up himself. That's why I didn't do the unboxing, because it's not mine. So I ordered it just for the customer. So he paid the shipping fee to the Skyjet account directly, and he went to pick it up himself. And guess what, guys? This customer said what I ordered is more than what I got. Like, he wasn't expecting what he got. So I'm going to show you the video he sent to me and what he said about the shawarma machine. See, you guys need to follow Uno Road when it comes to this China importation. Come to Chase TV. I got you. Anything you want to import from China, come and meet me. I'm going to train you if you need training. And I can also help you to buy anything you want from China. Okay? So I don't want to bore you. I don't want to waste your time. Let us just dive right into the video. Let's go into my WhatsApp. Let me show you the review that this customer sent to me. So guys, this is my chat with the customer. I have received my package and I'm so happy, ma. So this is the video he sent to me. I was surprised that it came with all these tools. So this is the video again he sent to me without the tools, and it's big, 3 burners, so can you see it, guys? So I sent him a voice note.
Now what do you expect? Now you receive,
so thank God. He now replied me.
As even the glad self go, I even like Akpa. Now waiting at the expect, I see even more than that self gone. Say this I own once it all the like flies go they toy the chicken, but this I go just cover them like that. Even the accessory will follow and come, even all this gas stuff, me I even they surprised. I don't even expect say all those kind of things go follow and concept.
Honestly, myself, I didn't expect that. All this plenty all this plenty when he later saw me, he even told me that it came with some pepper, chicken stock for, saucing chicken like that. I was like, wow. See, guys, by now we should already know why it is profitable to learn how to import from China by yourself, or to go meet maybe an agent to help you get product from China, because the price you are going to get it from China cannot be compared to the amount they are selling it here. Honestly, that shawarma machine you just saw, if that customer wanted to get it here in Nigeria, the price could be like 500,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right. It will be up to like 500,000 naira. And guess how much he paid? I think everything was like maybe a total of 200 and something thousand or thereabouts. Yes, 200 plus. But assuming he wanted to get it here, he would have gotten it up to like 500K. Because the one I saw on Jumia that was even lesser in quality and in the features, they are selling it about 400 plus, So you can imagine. Okay, take for example, you guys saw my last unboxing video that I showed this solar power mini generator, like an inverter with a panel. I saw it online on Facebook, where they are selling it, only the small solar power generator, they are selling it 165,000 naira without the panel. So just imagine, if they are selling it with panel, they'll sell it up to 200K. How much did I buy it from China? How much did I buy it? Cheap, not even up to, with shipping fee. Let me be factual with you. With shipping fee was not up to 100,000 naira from China. So you see, guys. So when you want to buy anything, just let me know. So I have a lot that I'm going to be, a lot in store for you guys that I'm going to be showing you when it comes to this China importation, the benefits, a lot that you can do, a lot, a lot, a lot. So you guys, watch out for my next videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's episode. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, drop comments, and you can reach out to me on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, if you want my services, or you want to know more, you want to procure anything from China. Please do well to reach out to me on social media, on other social media platforms. Check the description below for the links to directly take you to my DM on Instagram, and all that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.